The importance of social interaction and communication for the development and maintenance of the human self was already highlighted in Greek philosophy and has been discussed ever since. To understand human communication, we need more interactive paradigms and neuroimaging data coming from more than one brain to understand the human brain and its social nature fully. So that social interactions are a fundamental part of every human being's life, particularly in children, and studying them is indispensable for neuroscience. Understanding the neural basis of social interactions is a challenging task, and hyperscanning method has been making it possible. Hyperscanning is a method by which multiple subjects can interact with one another while their brains are simultaneously scanned. The significant advantage of this technique is that it allows the investigation of real-time dynamics between two or more interacting brains. Please join us at IACAPAP 2020 in Singapore. I'm looking forward to seeing you all. Thank you very much.